It was a rainy evening, the school was over, and many students were walking home with their umbrellas. Run stood near the school gate, holding his books close to his chest. He had no umbrella. The rain was falling fast, and he didn't know what to do. He just stood under a small tree, trying to stay dry. Mira, a girl from his class, was walking past with her umbrella. She saw Run standing alone. "Run, you don't have an umbrella?" she asked kindly. Run looked up and shook his head. "No, I forgot." Mira smiled. "Come, let's walk together." Run hesitated for a second, but then he walked beside her. They shared the umbrella. It was a small umbrella, so they had to walk close. The sound of rain falling around them felt peaceful. For some time, they didn't speak. Then Run asked, "You like rain?" "Yes," Mira said. "It feels like a song." Run smiled. "I like drawing the rain." Mira looked at him with interest. "Really? Can you show me your drawings?" "Tomorrow," Run said, softly. The next day, during break time, Run showed Mira his sketchbook. It was full of drawings, trees, clouds, rain, and quiet streets. One drawing showed a girl with an umbrella, walking in the rain. Mira looked at the drawing carefully. "Is this me?" she asked. Run felt shy but nodded slowly. Mira smiled. "It's beautiful." Run looked at her, and for the first time, he smiled without fear. A week later, it rained again. Run stood outside the school with an umbrella in his hand. This time, he was ready. Mira came out and saw him waiting. He looked at her and said, "Want to walk with me?" Mira smiled and replied, "Always." They walked together under one umbrella, laughing softly as the rain fell around them.